do you think about that, Nella? Wow. Got all that just overnight. So that's stepping out my front door in this snowstorm in Shingletown. It's pretty cool. Got about 2 feet of snow, I think, overnight. It's a lot of snow. Well, I guess it's time to get to work and start plowing. So a guy just stopped as he was driving on by and told me if I'm heading down to the store, there's no power down there. I already knew that. Shingletown's out of power. I guess he says there's no power all the way down to Red Bluff. From Redding all the way down to Red Bluff. And says there's 8 inches in the valley. That's pretty neat. Nella, up. So here I am in Shingletown right here. We have the Shingletown Library right there. That store, the Shingletown store is on the other side of the hill. This snow right here, got about 2 feet of snow. Nella, come here. Come here. So you can see Nella right there. The snow right behind her is just above her head, it looks like. And she's about knee height dog. So I'm 6'1" and she's knee height on me, so that kind of gives you an idea. Right here's the way to the Shingletown Medical Clinic. It's all snowed in. That there is Wilson Hill Road right behind me there. Snowed in. The snowplows are doing their job on Highway 44. Give them a thumbs up for that. And yeah, we're all having fun.